You can record a TikTok video and then you can change your voice using TikTok audio filter. This tutorial review will show you how you can add voice filter on your TikTok video. So first of all, I'm going to capturing a dummy video here. How to add voice filter on TikTok. And once you captured your video, tap on this voice icon and here you will get some voice filters. You can select any of them to change your voice effect.
How to add voice filter on TikTok?
How to add voice filter on TikTok?
How to add voice filter on TikTok?
How to add voice filter on TikTok? And this is how we can add voice filter on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.